Hey guys, so today I'm going to be naming my slimes. So the first slime I am going to be naming is this one, and this one is a lemon scented yellow glossy slime with some blue and purple glitter in it. So I've been having a think, and I think I'm going to call this lemonade bubbles, because it is lemon scented and it is a beautiful yellow colour, and it does have blue and purple glitter in it, and I thought that could be like the bubbles. Yeah, so I think I'm going to call this lemonade bubbles. I'm going to be showing you how to make some labels for your slime. You'll need scissors, pen of any colour, some normal white paper, double-sided tape, normal tape, something circle to draw around. Make sure it's not too big or not too small. Let's get started.
And get your circle up to your drawing line. Then get your pen and draw around it.
As you can see, mine's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to cut it out anyway. Once you have drawn your circle, cut it out. Once you have cut out your circle, if you still have some pen marks like this on one of the sides, just flip it round to write down the name of your slime. And also draw a little picture if you want. I know my picture isn't great, but I don't really mind. Your double-sided tape. Cut off a few strips of your double-sided tape. Stick your strips on the back of your label. Now go back to the front and get your normal tape, a few strips. Now cover your sticker up with the strips. Now cut off all the excess tape around your sticker. You should be left with a label looking like. Now peel off the backing from your double-sided tape. The back of your sticker should be sticky. Get your slime container and stick on the sticker. There we have it. You now have a label for your slime. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!